Hello and welcome to the English Listening Room. In this video, we talk about healthy life. Health is very important for everyone. People in many countries talk about this topic every day. But today, we will speak in very easy English at A1 level. So relax, listen, and enjoy. Let's begin. What is a healthy life? A healthy life means feeling good in your body and your mind. It means having energy. It means sleeping well. It means eating good food. A healthy life is not difficult. You do not need special equipment. You do not need a lot of money. You only need simple habits. Let's learn these habits together. Healthy food. Food is very important for our health. Good food helps your body work well. Good food helps you feel strong. Here are some simple ideas. 1. Eat vegetables and fruits. They give you vitamins. They help your body grow. Try to eat a little every day. 2. Drink water. Water is the best drink. It helps your body stay fresh. Try to drink water many times a day. 3. Eat less sugar. Too much sugar makes you tired. It is okay sometimes, but not every day. 4. Eat slowly. When you eat slowly, your body feels better. You enjoy your food more. Good food is simple food. Healthy movement. Moving your body is very important. You do not need a gym. You do not need heavy exercise. Simple movement is great for beginners. Here are some ideas. 1. Take a walk. Walk 10 or 15 minutes. Walk in the morning or evening. Walking is very easy and healthy. 2. Stretch your body. Stretching helps your muscles relax. You can do it at home. 3. Use the stairs. If you can, use stairs instead of the elevator. It helps your legs get stronger. 4. Stand up sometimes. If you sit too long, your back hurts. Stand up for 1 minute. Move a little. It helps your body feel better. Small movements can make a big difference. Healthy sleep. Sleep is very important. When you sleep well, you feel good. You think better. You learn better. Here are some easy sleep tips. 1. Sleep at the same time every night. Your body likes routine. Try to sleep at a similar hour. 2. Turn off your phone. Phones make your eyes tired. Turn it off 30 minutes before sleep. 3. Make your room quiet. A calm room helps you sleep faster. 4. Do not eat too late. If you eat late, you sleep badly. Good sleep helps your whole day. Healthy mind. Health is not only about the body. Your mind also needs care. A happy mind makes a healthy life. Here are some simple ways to help your mind. 1. Take deep breaths. Breathe in slowly. Breathe out slowly. This helps your mind relax. 2. Go outside. Fresh air helps your mood. Sunlight makes you feel better. 3. Talk to someone. Talk to a friend or family member. Talking helps you feel less stressed. 4. Do something fun. Read a book. Listen to music. Draw a picture. Fun activities help your mind rest. A healthy mind is a calm mind. Healthy habits for every day. Healthy life is not one big thing. Healthy life is many small things. Here are easy habits you can do daily. Drink water, walk a little, eat simple food, stretch, breathe deeply, sleep enough. These habits are simple. Anyone can do them. Final message. Thank you for listening to this easy English lesson. Healthy life is simple. Drink water, eat well, move a little, sleep enough, and relax your mind. Small steps make a big change. You can listen to this video again to learn new words. Practice every day, and your English will grow. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and write a short comment. Your support helps this channel grow. Thank you.